6 life lessons we can learn from Indians. 1. Value of family. Indians place strong emphasis on family bonds, teaching us the importance of staying connected. 2. Embrace inner peace. With practices like yoga and meditation, Indians prioritize mental and spiritual well-being. 3. Unity in diversity. India is home to multiple religions, languages, and cultures, showing us the strength in embracing diversity. 4. Active giving. Indians often believe in helping others, especially through acts of charity and community support. 5. Celebrate life. From Holi to Diwali, Indians celebrate with joy and enthusiasm, reminding us to find joy in every moment. 6. Respect for elders. Showing respect and gratitude to elders is a core value, teaching us humility and honor. Explore these lessons. Discover the wisdom of India